every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try Laura's light fettuccine Alfredo. Now I've tried her regular one and it was a bomb, but sure, not something you'd eat on a regular basis just because of how rich it is. So I have a feeling that this recipe today I'm gonna try will be the one you turn to when you want the taste, but not the holiday-worthy richness. So if you're curious to see how it goes, how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 450 grams of ground chicken breast, 250 grams of fettuccine, 1.5 cups of chicken stock, 70 grams of cream cheese, 20 grams of freshly grated parmigiano, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 grams of fresh parsley chopped, 10 grams of flour, 2 cloves of garlic grated, and salt and pepper. The first thing I did was fill a large pot full of water, and it's coming to a boil right there. So I'm not gonna touch it, it will do its thing in this corner. And now here I have a large non-stick skillet with high sides, which I'm gonna preheat over medium-high heat together with the olive oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the chicken. And while breaking it apart with a wooden spoon, I'm gonna cook it for 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the garlic, season everything with salt and pepper, and cook for 1 more minute. Okay, now I'm gonna add the flour and cook for 30 seconds while stirring constantly. Okay, I zoomed out because now this is the multitasking part. I'm gonna add the chicken stock here, let it come to a boil, and then cook for 4 minutes. And at the same time, I'm gonna add the pasta to the boiling water, which by the way I salted generously, and I'm gonna cook it al dente. For my pasta, it will take 4 minutes. Okay, now the time for the cream cheese has come. I'm gonna mix it in until it melts and then cook for 2 more minutes. Okay, the heat goes off. And now, wow, look at it bubbling away. Now it's basically the time to add all the remaining ingredients and just mix everything together. So as you can see, I have my parsley, parmesan. I'm gonna season it with a little bit more of salt and pepper, not too much of salt though, because this is salty. I seasoned this plenty already. And then also I have pasta there, cooked pasta. So I'm gonna add everything here and just mix everything to combine. Oh my god, this was so quick and it smells so good. I love garlic. It smells so garlicky. So good. Oh, wait, eye contact, right? Sorry, no eye contact today. Oh my god. This is a great recipe. The sauce and the chicken is full of flavor. The pasta is so juicy. I know I could use some other word, but it just looks so, you know, it's like there's no like sauce per se, it's not saucy, but it's, you look at it and it's like shiny and you can see the sauce on the pasta, not on the plate. My god, this is a great recipe, can you tell? This is as quick as it comes, seriously. Oh my god, this is going to my part of the recipe binder where I keep all the super quick recipes. This is a great recipe for a workday dinner because it takes no time at all, seriously, and it's such a good end result. You can definitely feel its lighter version. It's still sort of like Alfredo because, you know, of the sauce and of the chicken, but it's definitely a lighter version. I will be making the other one once in a while again as well because it's just so good, but this is a great alternative. And if you want to make it even lighter, you can do what Laura suggests. Do you mind? And use light, what was that, like fat reduced cream cheese instead of a regular one. Oh my god, this is so good. Because not because I didn't use that one, just because I don't really usually buy fat reduced products, so for me this is fine even with the regular cream cheese. This is light ... This is really good. This is Laura's, how Laura's looks like. The video is there if you want to watch her make it. The written recipe, as always, is in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems. I highly recommend trying this recipe out for, you know, those I don't have time but I want to eat some homemade food kind of nights. This is a great recipe for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more pasta ideas, I have a whole playlist somewhere there for you to choose from. Laura's recipes are great. And I'll go and eat some more undisturbed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!